What is DIY psychology? Well, DIY is easy to explain. It's meant do it yourself. So the whole idea of personal synthesis to be a sort of a manual for personal development. So it really is do it yourself. You need to put some sort of effort and desire to utilize and use those materials and so on. Psychology, however, it may be a little bit more tricky to define. I know most of us think that psychology is about the mind, but what is mind? Well, there are very few things that even professionals agreed in this respect, except one. It's a mystery. It's actually not only a mystery, it's probably the biggest mystery in the world, and yet it's very democratic because we all have it.